Hello everyone, welcome to Data to Info. In today's video, we will see how we can use data structures of Python with Flask. Earlier we saw how we can use expressions and render it on HTML pages, right? Today we will see how we can use list data structure and render the values inside it. We can use dictionary data structure, also tuple and also class objects. So we will see all of this and we will render all of those on this data structure.html page. I have created this one. So let's get into it. I have already written some list over here like movies. I have listed down some movies like Iron Man, Bahubali, RRR, Mr. Bean. Those are my favorite. Then dictionaries. In dictionary, I have written key value pairs like the key is model 007, the brand is Tesla, year 2023. Likewise, and object, I have created a class and its object. You can see over here I have created a class with a constructor and I have given some values over there: salary, name, address, and designation of the employee. The class name is employee, right? And I have created the object people. People is the object of employee class. And I have given people to be as a interpolation value. All right. So this list movies, dictionary cars, and people as an object. I have given it as interpolation values to keyword arguments, right? As a key value pair. So this keyword argument I have then put it over here in render template function so that it will directly be very convenient to use and it will get fetched from here as soon as the request is raised to HTML page. So how will be showing that? Similar using the interpolation. Like in the list, I will say my favorite movies are right movies as a list name, the brackets. How we can access the list values in Python? The similar way we will do over here as well. 0, 1, 2, likewise. In dictionary, how we can access dictionary in Python? Similar way we have to do that over here as well. My favorite car is of brand. We have to write cars as in dictionary name. I believe cars, yeah, it's cars. Then in square brackets, I have to write the name of the key, that is brand. Then comes and model is model. Then object. How we access the values of object or values of class using object? The object name dot value, right? So similarly, we will do that over here as well. Every employee has its what? Its write the object name is people dot. We access them using dot. People dot name name and salary. Now we will access only two parameters, that is name and salary from the class, and we will render it on the HTML page. So we access the movies from the list, we access the cars parameters from the dictionary, we access the parameters of the employee class using object, and we can also use the tuple as well. So these are some well-known data structure that you can use with Flask. And let's just run this real quick and see if it is working. Alright, just refresh it. Okay, as you can see, data structure in Jinja 2 template. List is my favorite movies are Iron Man, Bahubali, and RRR. Then dictionary, my favorite car is of brand Tesla and the model is 007. Class object you can see name and salary is the parameters also being rendered. So this is how you can use data structures in Flask. I hope you must have liked it. So please comment down below if you want anything new or have any questions about it. And please do subscribe to Data to Info. Thank you.